Hey, what's up guys? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. I wanted to tell you about the new Matrix OS, which is a custom operating system that's available for Ford vehicles. We're going to talk about the Explorer ST today. It does all sorts of things, but we're going to concentrate on a few features. The very first feature is multi-tune. It allows you to change the tune of the vehicle while it's running. So let me show you. What you do is, to make sure cruise control is on, and then you hit the cancel button, and then as you can see here, the tachometer turns into your tune selection button. It is going to give you that cruise warning, and that's specific to the ST, but we'll try to fix that. Anyway, we're going to stick with tune 1. So the other thing it does is adjustable power. We can go from lowest power at 0 to 100% power, and we use the speedometer for that. So we make sure it's on, we hit cancel once again, then we hit cancel a second time, and as you can see right now, it's on 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower it all the way down to 0. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a draggy pull at the 0 setting, and then we're going to do another one at 100. But the cool part is going to be right after that. We're going to use the Matrix OS launch control and see how much better the 0 to 60 gets after that. Anyway, let's try one at 0. All right, you got to put it in drive first. At 0 power, and that was at 0 power. It felt pretty slow. 6.61 0 to 60. Not very good. So why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you want to give the car to somebody who's not used to a powerful car, a child, your wife doesn't want a really powerful setup. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and turn it all the way up to 100. As you can see on the speedo, going right to 100. So now you got to remember, didn't turn the vehicle off at all. So we're going to go back out on the road and do one more draggy. The cool part is this is just changing tune. Matrix OS adds features. We're going to have launch control on the next one, but first let's try it at full power, just like we did. 4.6. I'll take it. Very, very good. So it went from like over a 6-second 0 to 60 to a 4.6. Very, very cool. And try it one more time. .460s in this weather, man, is killing it. This is 93 tune. And you know, for guys watching that, we've been, you know, very, very low 4s, high 3s on our 93 tune. So don't use this as a measure. It's super hot outside. We're not trying for our best. We're just comparing with launch control and without launch control. We're going to go ahead and try one with the launch control now. So I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to hit the button right before I launch and then let go. Pretty good. Man, that was a 440, and in this weather, that's really, really good. I mean, it says 83, but I think it's even hotter than that, so it's kicking ass. All right, so I'm going to show you the rolling anti-lag now. First, we'll do it with nothing, and we'll just do it from, like, say, a 20-mile-an-hour roll, and I'm just going to floor it in manual second. Here we go. Okay, you saw how there was a pretty decent delay, so I'll go ahead and slow back down to about 20 miles an hour. Now I'm going to try it with the rolling anti-lag, and all I do is floor it, hold down the button, and then let go when I'm ready to launch. Man, that makes a huge difference. Let me show you one more time. We're gonna do it in second gear at 20 miles an hour. Okay, you saw how that took off. It's just really a big difference. You know, there's a lot more to the Matrix OS. We can do Flex E85. You know, maybe we'll do a full walkthrough technical video for those of you guys that are really interested in it. We just wanted to get all this information out, show the new technology, the launch control, the live tune switching. The live tune switching alone is worth it. So if you guys want that, go ahead and check out pbdyno.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.